Hey, we got a special request today.
We do?
Yeah, Charles from Kentucky would like us to make some fried country ham steak with red-eye gravy served with some grits.
Boy, that sounds good.
Yes, it does.
When you think of Kentucky, what do you think of?
String bean!
Let's do it.
The old Kentucky wonder, string bean. Yes,
Hang on, children.
Okay, so now we got our ham steak. Go ahead and divide it into pieces so I can cut it on the, so I can cook it on the skillet. These cooked. So now we're gonna put about a tablespoon of virgin olive oil in it. I'm gonna use a cap. That's how I get my tablespoon. Ham steaks on there. Now that looks good. Boy, that's frying well. You see that sizzle. Oh yeah. Burn my butter. It's good to keep it on a low heat to take the time to melt your butter because butter burns really fast. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add, that's 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once again, I'm using olive oil. Here's 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna melt those two together. Let's do that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1.5 cups of coffee. Of course, in a mason jar. We're gonna bring this to a boil, and then we're gonna add brown sugar after that. Okay, now we got it to a nice boil. We're gonna go ahead and add some light brown sugar. This is 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. It smells so good too, and can't wait to taste it. This goes way back. Red-eye gravy. Now I'm gonna lower the heat and let it reduce. I'm bringing it to about a low. When it reduces, we're gonna go ahead and get our grits ready. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add our ham steaks. Ooh, look how that looks yummy. They're marinating there a little bit. Now, this side. And I've been told that you want the sauce to be loose. So here we go. I know we're used to having really thick sauce, but you see that this is the way they pretty much like it. So we're gonna make it loose. That's the way it tastes really good. And we're gonna let it sit. We're gonna put a lid on it, and we're gonna go plate this up. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and get our grits ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid there. And I use 1 cup of water, a dash of salt to taste, and 1/2 cup of grits. So let's go ahead and pour that in there. Let's get our grits going. We're gonna turn this off. All right, our grits are ready.
everybody. We are all finished with our ham steaks here, so I can't wait to try these. They smell great and they look delicious. What do you think?
Anything that's made with coffee and sugar sounds good to me.
Let's dig in. Wow, look at that. What a beautiful piece of meat there. You try it. It's delicious.
Let me try mine.
Perfectly cooked ham steak. And it's got a little bit of sweetness to it. The sweetness and the salt from the steak is just mouth-watering. You gotta try this. It's delicious.
Basically, if you like sweet and salty, you'll love this.
Exactly. And then balance it out with the grits.
Yeah, the grits really balance it out.
Definitely a winner here.
Yes, it is.
Well, guys, thank you once again for watching. We're gonna go ahead and finish this meal. Is there anything else you want to tell the audience today?
Yes. Thank you, Charles, for the recipe. It's so delicious, and I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, Charles, thank you. We are going to definitely use this again.
And if anybody has any more recipes, you can use in our videos.
Just leave them in the comments, and then we'll try to cook what you comment on next. Thank you for watching as always, and you know how this goes. Bye.